Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's January 3rd. Very cold out here this morning. But looking at the markets yesterday, it seemed like we had more of a sell-off over everything. The CRB index, which is just a measurement of commodities as a whole, that did move below that 50-day moving average yesterday. But selling across the board with the stock market down more than 100 points. Energy sharply lower, with crude oil leading the way, being down about $3. Grains, as we know, sharply lower there as well. But today we are seeing a little bit of short covering here this morning. Beans in China up 7 cents overnight. Maybe that can give us some kind of support for beans. We know the technical picture right now for beans and meal look very weak. We've taken out support levels. We need to see some kind of recovery if we are going to continue to keep this trend a little bit higher. The weather in South America, a focus here, it is leaning a little bit negative yet. Still good rains over the next few weeks. We've got some moisture moving in. Mato Grosso del Sul have their early bean harvest that's coming in very good. So these are all things that are going to be watched pretty closely over the next few weeks. But after this 2-week period, we get out to that extended forecast. Guys are projecting to see the rains lighten up, but also see some warmer temperatures moving in as well. So still very early to play this weather card, but we do need to keep that in mind. Some of the primary focuses, things to look at here today. Export sales just came out. They were expecting to see 650,000 tons to 850 for corn. Came in at 174.8. So very negative for corn. We did see some cancellations. We've been talking about China canceling 419,000 tons that have been canceled. That was reported mostly from China and unknown. So that is a little, that's negative here today. But as far as beans, they wanted 500 to 800,000. Came in at 1.18 million. So strong there. We are seeing sales made. Wheat, 350 to 550,000, came in at 266.8. So we are waiting to see if Egypt is going to be coming in and buying U.S. wheat. That probably will be announced near 8 o'clock if we do see that as well. But guys are waiting for that. We do have a USDA report out here next week. So look for that as we get into that Sunday night into next week's trade. We'll have some numbers out for you guys next week on that. But that report usually does, we see volatility, we see a lot of volume come in around that report, and it is more of an exciting time, so we could see the markets move. But as far as some of the focus today, these export sales, pretty negative for corn. Are we going to continue to see these cancellations being made with China as far as having the GMO issues that they have and rejecting these tenders? So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, you've got corn trading up about 3/4 of a cent. You got beans about 4 higher. Wheat down about 1/4 right now. And then some of these outside markets, crude oil continuing to fall, down 30 cents, 95.16. You got the dollar up 2 cents right now. Very strong day yesterday as well. And then the metals. Gold, big up day yesterday. Same thing with silver, but up another $1.70 right now for gold, but down about 10 cents in silver. And then stock futures finding a little bit of a recovery, up 35 points at this time. But I do want to make a good note for you guys. Get those calendars out. Okay, end of January, end of this month. So it's coming up very quickly. We've got our conference. We're making it very easy for you guys. As I mentioned, it's extremely cold here in Chicago. You can do this right from your home. We're doing this as a webinar. You can watch this it's a 3-day event, and you can sit there right at the comfort of your computer, and we're going to bring our presentation to you. So give us a call. We've got more information. If you've not registered for that, we'd be glad to help you out. You can do that either right online at allendale-inc.com or give us a call, 800-262-7538. But we'd like to get that information out to you as quickly as possible. So hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm out there, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.